We walked all around the house.
Where were they? They must have been hiding somewhere.
I think so.
What plane were you on?
Oh,
She had a long plane ride, boy. Did she?
I was supposed to be here last night.
nice to
My
see
plane,
you.
I missed my second plane.
Tim got in at 1 a.m. You're kidding. You got in this morning,
I
right?
got in at 11 o'clock because I had to sleep in Washington all night.
So
Oh,
this is Joe's third trip to the airport.
Oh no! I couldn't believe it when I walked in. What a surprise!
Were you in the garage?
No, we were in the closet.
Were you in the closet? I just sort of thought, okay, they're here somewhere. Where are they?
Nobody really
Birthday,
knew
they
they
were
were
coming? Oh yeah, I knew. Oh yeah, no, I knew. Oh yeah, I knew. I just,
And I'm telling everybody, oh, Barb can't make it, because...
Were you in the garage?
No, we were in the closet.
Were you in the closet? I just sort of